How to fix Facebook disabled account 2023 on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings and you will go directly to apps. And on apps you will scroll down and you will open Facebook. And on Facebook you will go to storage and you will go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data, then click OK, and that's it, your problem will fix it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.